Hi friends, today we will discuss how to start to do the programming, or do you want to learn coding and you are a beginner. So I will explain how to start and how to learn coding from beginning. If you are beginning, then this video will help you to learn coding, right? You may be from the technical background or maybe from non-technical background, but that is the basic steps both can follow, right? So how to learn coding, it is for beginners, right? So first, every person should know about the basics of the programming. So how you can clear your basics? The first thing is the clear the basics of the programming, right? So how will you clear basics? First thing, you can normally in technical education, right? So students learn C programming, right? In technical colleges, students learn C programming. So by learning C programming, it will clear your basics fundamentals to do the programming, to do the code. So C programmings, if you learn, it will clear your basic fundamentals, like how you can print hello, how you can print what is the loop, if loop, for loop, while loop, and what is the use of switch, continue, break, and so many things. Small programs you can do. The once you learn the basic, you can do the small, you can make small programs. So like to make a palindrome string, Fibonacci numbers, there are so many small programs. You can, once you learn the basics of C, you can do the practice. So there is one popular book, let us see. This is a book, very popular book. You can refer this also. Other than this, you can use the YouTube videos, right? YouTube videos you can refer. You can refer some websites also. So this is the book, and this is the YouTube videos you can refer, and some website you can refer, right? Or if you unable to understand the videos, website, book, then you can join the training. Right? We can also provide you the training in C programming, and some other also institute provide the C programming. So you can join the training in institute for the same. If you have still problems in book, in videos, in website, then you can join the training institute, and training institute trainer will clear your basic part. So how you can print the statement, how you can what is for, while loop, break, there are so many things, right? So trainer will clear you all the things if you have problems in books, videos, and websites. Now so this will clear our basic fundamental, right? So this will clear basic fundamental. Now do you want to move in popular programming technology like C++, Java, Python, and so on, right? and so many technologies, right? So after learning C programming, you can move to your field like C++, Java, Python, and so on, right? So Java is among very popular programming language. Then Python is also, C++ also, and some other Angular, .NET, C Sharp, right? C Sharp also you can. These are very popular programming. C Sharp, Python, Java, very popular programming. So after learning C programming, you can move to the C++, Java, Python, C Sharp. After that, right? So in these programming areas, right, you can also decide in which company do you want to work. You want to work in service based company or product based company. So mostly company work in finance domain on Java and Python. Java is very popular programming for finance domain. Basically in industry, most companies are working on Java for financial transactions related, right, applications. So Java is more reliable and companies working on, and then C Sharp and Python. These three is very popular in the industry. You can go with any technology, Java, Python, C Sharp, right? These three technologies very popular. Then there are so many technologies also, but you can decide which like there is some change in the writing the statements, right? In these all the things, most of things you can do by using the Java, Python, C Sharp. All the things we can do the same by using these languages, but there is some changes in their statements, writing statements, right? So it is not that much difficult. Once you learn the basic of C programming, you can move to the higher level, or C is also high level programming. Then you can advance like Java, Python, C Sharp, and some other programming also. You can refer for the same, like books also available here, YouTube video website for the same, and join the training institute if you feel uncomfortable in these book website videos. So you can refer the training institute also, right? So and if you need any technical, if you have problem in technical learning, then you can also comment on this video, right? Thank you.